I will show you how to draw a door in this video. We start by clicking on the draw door icon on the top left-hand corner. Place the cursor on where you want the door to be and left-click with the mouse. As you can see, the lines for the door has been inserted. Insert the length of the door on the keyboard and press Enter. The door has been inserted. Press Escape on the keyboard to exit the command. To draw a second door, press on the draw door icon once again. Now, let's see the doors created in 3D. To do so, click on the 3D icon. To better view the drawing, press and hold the wheel on the mouse to rotate 360 degrees in the drawing. Zoom in and zoom out by turning the mouse wheel. Press and hold the right click to pan the view. These will allow you to view the scene better. See you in the next tutorial video.